People all over the world are talking about this video right here, showing a bird getting swallowed by the massive drain at Lake Berryessa.
A large hole in Lake Berryessa has puzzled visitors and experts for many years. This natural drain is so powerful that it can swallow the entire lake's surface during floods. This is not a regular occurrence. But what caused this giant vortex, and why has it remained a mystery for so long? Thanks to advanced technology, we are beginning to uncover the truth about this strange hole. Is it simply an engineering feature, or does it reveal a bigger story about how nature works and how humans have influenced it? The mysterious hole at Lake Berryessa. Lake Berryessa in Northern California features a fascinating natural phenomenon, a huge hole that opens up when the water level rises too high. This hole, known locally as the Glory Hole, is over 20 feet wide and acts like a giant drain, creating a swirling vortex. Visitors often stop to watch this impressive whirlpool, but may not know its real purpose. At first, the hole looks like a sinkhole or a mysterious natural whirlpool leading into deep water, sparking curiosity. However, it is actually a spillway designed to prevent flooding. Its size and behavior amaze onlookers. Unlike regular spillways, this one becomes powerful and visible only during high water levels and nearly disappears when the water recedes. The whirlpool forms when the lake reaches a crucial water height, draining excess water through a large concrete funnel. The force is strong enough to pull in boats that come too close, adding to its eerie reputation. People are captivated by the hole's power and the strange beauty it creates, leading them to wonder about its origins and engineering. Curious onlookers ask why the hole appears only during high water and why it acts so dramatically. Does it endanger the local environment or people? How was it built to manage large amounts of water during rainy seasons? These questions remain as the hole continues to fascinate the public with its raw energy. The lack of clear information fuels myths. Some believe it might be a natural cave or a secret tunnel beneath the lake, while others imagine even wilder explanations. The truth lies between nature and human engineering, a balance not often discussed. Understanding this hole goes beyond local curiosity. It highlights how humans manage water systems and the beauty and danger of mixing nature with technology. To unveil the mystery, we need to explore the lake's geology and the hidden infrastructure under its sparkling surface. Despite years of visitors and local stories, experts have offered few clear explanations, leaving the phenomenon somewhat mysterious. Much of what we know about this whirlpool's nature remains behind technical terms or within agencies responsible for flood control. This story is about mystery and control, using human-made structures to manage nature, protect communities, and create remarkable sights. We can explore how geology and water management shape this powerful feature. Over the years, the Glory Hole has become a mix of beauty and risk, attracting photographers, adventurers, and engineers. Its calm surface hides immense power, capable of swallowing 48,000 cubic feet of water every second when the lake is full. Locals remember times when the roaring vortex sounded like thunder, reminding them of nature's strength combined with human design. As we look deeper into Lake Berryessa's environment, we see how natural forces and human actions shape this unique site. Geological and hydrological background. Lake Berryessa is a large reservoir created by the Monticello Dam in Napa County, California. The dam was built in the mid-20th century to provide water, control floods, and generate electricity. The area has different types of rocks and soil, which affect how water flows and collects. Rainfall varies with the seasons, leading to changes in the lake's water levels. This requires careful management to prevent downstream flooding. The Monticello Dam and its spillway are designed to handle excess water during heavy rains. The land's shape and soil types influence how water behaves in the area. Before the dam was built, the valley had a river and farmland that often flooded. Creating the lake drastically changed the landscape. Water management is essential in California because reservoirs need to balance water supply, drought prevention, and flood control. The Monticello Dam is built to withstand earthquakes and has features to release water in emergencies. The spillway is where natural forces meet engineered solutions, making it a key spot for understanding the famous hole in the lake. Learning about the spillway's design helps explain this interesting phenomenon. The hidden spillway explained. Lake Berryessa has a unique feature known as a morning glory spillway, which helps prevent overflow at the Monticello Dam during heavy rain. This spillway resembles an upside-down bell and draws excess water down through a vertical shaft to control the water level. When the water level rises too high, the spillway opens, quickly drawing water away to prevent flooding. This creates a whirlpool effect on the lake's surface. The spillway is about 70 feet wide at the top and carries large amounts of water through a tunnel carved into the rock. The sight of water rushing in is impressive, but the strong currents under the surface can be dangerous. For safety, there are warning signs and barriers around the area. Morning Glory spillways operate automatically, eliminating the need for manual control and helping prevent debris from blocking the flow. Built in 1957, this spillway is a significant engineering example that manages unpredictable spring and snowmelt water. Initially, it was not well known to the public, but it has since become a popular place for photographs. The design and operation of the spillway show the relationship between the natural water cycle and human safety. Over the years, it has become a standard for hydraulic design, as engineers study how it works during storms to improve future reservoirs. Ecologists also examine how sudden draining affects fish and other aquatic life. The spillway serves as a reminder of how humans try to control nature and raises questions about technology's role in understanding our environment. Local legends and public fascination. The swirling hole in Lake Berryessa, called the Glory Hole, has fascinated locals and visitors for many years. Its striking look, especially during the rainy season, creates a captivating whirlpool that shows a mix of nature and engineering. This phenomenon has inspired many myths and stories, turning it into a local legend admired for its powerful presence. With social media's rise, the hole became famous online, leading to both fascination and fear. Tourists come to see it, knowing the dangerous currents that lie below. Since it was built in the 1950s, local stories have turned the spillway into a symbol of nature's power, featuring in art and tourism promotions. As these legends grow, the hole serves a valuable purpose, safely releasing excess water. This reminds us of the balance between human engineering and natural forces. The interest in the Glory Hole reflects our concerns about controlling nature, highlighting the respect and caution needed around such powerful forces. Additionally, the hole has inspired community events and educational programs that turn curiosity into understanding, connecting it to science and responsible water management. However, some still see it as dangerous, which adds to the complexity of how people view it. As people look into the swirling waters, they ponder our relationship with nature and the technical details of the spillway itself. Early scientific studies and limitations. Since it was built, the lake's spillway and its large vortex have interested engineers and scientists. Early studies focused on how fast the water flows and how safe the dam is, rather than on the complex behavior of the surface vortex. Monitoring showed that the spillway can handle vast amounts of water, often tens of thousands of cubic feet per second, which helps prevent flooding and keeps it safe. However, looking at the spillway only as a functional outlet missed the fluid dynamics that create the fascinating vortex. Initial studies did not explain its steady spinning motion or its unique shape, leaving many questions unanswered. The technology available in the mid-20th century, such as simple flow meters, made it hard to understand turbulent water behavior, and changing weather conditions made data collection difficult. Safety concerns kept researchers from conducting direct experiments near the vortex. This forced scientists to rely on indirect measurements and theoretical models, which couldn't fully capture what was happening. This lack of research kept the spillway a mystery among experts. Early studies also didn't consider environmental impacts, such as sediment movement and effects on aquatic life. Despite these challenges, foundational research helped ensure safety and provided a basic understanding of operations. Recently, renewed interest has led to projects using sonar mapping and drones to uncover previously unseen changes in the vortex. Significant advances, primarily through artificial intelligence, are now helping scientists explore what was once out of reach. Introducing artificial intelligence. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has changed how we understand complex systems, especially in the study of dynamic events such as the vortex at Lake Berryessa. Traditional observation methods have their limits. However, AI tools can analyze large datasets and uncover hidden patterns, yielding new insights into the lake's famous hole. Researchers are now using high-resolution satellite images and AI algorithms to model the spillway's behavior with great accuracy. Machine learning can model the complex interactions between water flow and vortex formation, helping predict how weather changes will affect the vortex's strength and size. AI simulations are virtual and scalable, allowing scientists to safely explore different scenarios, such as how debris and water flow rates affect the vortex. This computational power expands our understanding beyond simple measurements. Collaborations among civil engineers, hydrologists, and AI experts enhance traditional science rather than replace it. Understanding the vortex offers tangible benefits, such as improving dam safety, enhancing flood management, and reducing environmental impact, especially amid climate change. However, creating accurate AI simulations needs high-quality data and significant computing power, which requires ongoing improvement and validation. AI also helps assess the spillway's structural integrity and erosion, providing insights into maintenance and the lifespan of infrastructure. The use of AI at Lake Berryessa has turned the mystery of the swirl into a known phenomenon, leading to safer water management solutions. This approach has inspired similar AI-based modeling for other dams in California, enabling forecasts of structural stress under different rainfall conditions. What started as a study of one vortex has become a significant advancement for future water management across the state. AI's revelations about the whole. AI simulations have greatly improved our understanding of the unique vortex at Lake Berryessa. These simulations confirm engineering theories about how the vortex forms due to the spillway's morning glory shape, water flow rates, and fluid dynamics. The whirlpool stabilizes under certain conditions. Key findings show how water surface tension, spillway curvature, and centrifugal forces interact. This explains why the hole appears at specific water levels and gets larger during storms. Even small changes in water flow or debris can significantly affect the vortex's strength, something traditional analysis cannot predict. AI has also explained how the water flow in the spillway tunnel affects the vortex above, helping maintain a balance between lake levels and tunnel capacity. Additionally, sediment interacting with the spillway structure could affect long-term erosion and maintenance, providing valuable data for engineers. The simulations showed that wind and topography cause slight changes in the vortex, meaning no two events are the same. This technology enables what-if scenarios, which are essential for emergency preparedness and for improving infrastructure in changing weather conditions. AI's findings turn this impressive natural phenomenon into a blend of engineering and physics, thereby increasing public interest. The modeling also revealed that the deep roar of the vortex sounds like vibrations in an organ pipe, shedding light on local myths and deepening our understanding. These discoveries are a big step in combining human curiosity with technology, pushing the limits of our knowledge and safety. Implications and lessons learned. The AI discovery of the Lake Berryessa hole is an important step forward in engineering and environmental science. By explaining how the vortex works, this breakthrough improves safety measures around spillways. This helps engineers manage water flow better and protect local ecosystems and communities. This discovery also enables the use of similar AI techniques at other dams and reservoirs affected by climate change. AI can simulate how water behaves under different conditions, helping with maintenance, risk assessment, and planning for water management worldwide. Additionally, understanding how spillways affect the environment improves management of sediment transport and aquatic habitats. It becomes easier to preserve biodiversity while controlling floods through accurate data. Furthermore, AI changes how we design water control systems, making them safer and more efficient. This can reduce energy use and structural wear. The lessons from Lake Berryessa highlight the importance of working together across fields such as civil engineering, hydrology, and computer science. Communities benefit from better safety protocols and educational outreach, which builds public trust and understanding of water dynamics. This project shows how technology can help manage natural resources while protecting nature's beauty. Future control systems will likely use real-time data and machine learning to respond better to extreme water changes, ultimately safeguarding lives and property. The mystery of Lake Berryessa's hole has turned from fear into scientific understanding and safety, showing how technology and nature can work together. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section. Also like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.